How to solve a pH logarithm word problem. Alright, I'll read the problem first. So it says Dr. Miller has to test two unknown solutions. Sample A has a pH of 11.6 and sample B has a pH of 11.9. Given the formula, pH equals the negative log of, we could say, hydrogen ions, where hydrogen ions represents hydrogen ion concentration, or we could say H plus represents hydrogen ion concentration. How many times greater is the hydrogen ion concentration in sample B? So this is actually really simple. So first you just have to find the difference in the pH values. So you just subtract them, right? So we have 11.9 minus 11.6, that's 0.3, right? Then we need to substitute the difference into the given equation, okay? So that difference goes where the pH goes, okay? And then we have the negative log of, and then the hydrogen ions, right? So we're solving for this here, right? Okay, so if this is hard for you to solve it, what I suggest to my students is to rearrange it and put it into exponent form like this. And so we got this handy dandy scroll down here. Recall the base of a log with no subscript. In this case, the subscript is here, but since there's no subscript, that means it's 10. So we can convert it from log form to equation form, right? So if we go here, right, so remember that since there's nothing here, we know it's 10, so this 10 goes here, okay, and then the x, or here, the one all by itself, then becomes the exponent, right? So that's why we get 10 to the 0.3 power is h plus. And usually you can just leave it like that. And that completes your problem.